Here's what you need to know about what is DHCP scope management. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A DHCP scope is a range of IP addresses a DHCP server can assign to clients. Scope management involves defining, monitoring, and adjusting these ranges to ensure every device on the network gets a valid IP address without conflicts or exhaustion. Key concept: scope definition. A scope defines the start and end IP address range, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS servers assigned to clients. Each subnet typically has its own scope on the DHCP server. Key concept: exclusions and reservations. Exclusions remove specific IPs from the pool so they are never assigned dynamically. Reservations bind a specific IP to a device's MAC address, ensuring it always gets the same address. Key concept: lease duration. Each DHCP assignment has a lease time. Short leases reclaim addresses quickly in high-turnover environments. Long leases reduce traffic on stable networks. Most defaults are 8-24 hours. Key concept: scope utilization monitoring. When a scope runs out of addresses, new devices cannot connect. Monitoring utilization and setting alerts at 80% capacity allows administrators to expand or split scopes before they exhaust. Let's look at the full breakdown. Scope range: 192.168.110.009.3.67.192.168.120.101 total addresses available. Assigned to VLAN 10 office devices. Exclusions: 192.168.110.192.168.1110, reserved for printers and APs, never dynamically assigned. Reservations: 192.168.1150, server MAC 001A 2B, always gets same IP via MAC binding, survives reboots and lease renewals. Lease time default: 8 hours for desktops, 1 hour for guest Wi-Fi. Shorter equals sign, faster address reclaim. Here's a real-world example. A company's office DHCP scope has 50 addresses, 192.168.1100.150. A monitoring alert fires at 80% utilization. Investigation shows contract workers brought laptops that are holding leases. The admin splits the scope and adds a second range, 192.168.1151.200, resolving the shortage before any device is denied an address. Quick recap before you go. 1. DHCP scope. Sign the IP address range a DHCP server assigns to clients. 2. Exclusions block IPs from dynamic assignment. Reservations bind IPs to specific MACs. 3. Lease duration controls how long a client holds an IP before renewing. 4. Monitor utilization. Alert at 80% to expand scopes before exhaustion. 5. Each subnet typically has its own dedicated DHCP scope. That's what is DHCP scope management covered. Exam tip: know the difference. Exclusions prevent an IP from being assigned to anyone. Reservations guarantee a specific IP always goes to one specific device based on its MAC address. Both are configured within the scope. Next up, what is network redundancy? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.